Hey everybody, it's Wesley with All Pistons Garage. Guys, I want to jump on here right quick and share a video for you 94 to 04 Mustang guys. This might be a real game changer. As you well know, the door panels in these cars are pretty cheap and they give a lot of problems. You can see how this starts rolling up. And as far as I know, there's not a remanufactured door panel for this car. The 9904 at least, I haven't seen. And if you want your old ratty looking door to look better, I'm going to tell you something. LMR to the rescue. That's right, LMR to the rescue. LMR has come up with some guides or guards for the door panel. So how this works, down and cover this unsightly rolled up area that you have. Now this is just laying up here. I'm going to install it in just a few minutes and show you what it's like. I need to separate them. There are two of them. Taking the door panels off and on rolls this up and it just looks terrible. I do have an estimate to get these door panels recovered. It's pretty expensive. The guy quoted me $500. So I'm going to see if we can make this door look better. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to install these. I got a brand new a door cup is what I call it there, armrest. I got a new one of those. Let's see if we can make this eyesore of a door. Let's see how well we can make it look here in just a few minutes. All right, guys. I got the new door panel cup armrest. You just take the two screws out your old one, pull this out, undo your clip, pull that away. You got some clips on each side of the mirror control. You mash those in and push this way. You reinstall everything and everything just clips in. This clip goes here. And of course, this clip that's famous for breaking goes here. I may need both hands to put this in, guys. All right, guys, turned out I needed both hands. It's a pretty tight fit. And my material was kind of out right here, so I had to take a little tool and kind of get up under and kind of run it back in. But man, that looks nice. This thing's been broken ever since I bought the car. All right, now let's see what we can do about this and see if we can make this door panel look presentable again. All right, guys. Once you get the covering off, which you could start it, and then after you get through pressing on, pull it off. I just went ahead and pulled mine off. It's a little tight. Just be careful with it. Just keep working it back and forth. Just keep working it back and forth in there. And I will say, going this way, it feels there's a little edge there, but I don't think, doesn't feel like. Just feels like a little edge, like it's a little sharp, but I'll take it, guys. Man, look now. You look at this door panel compared to what we started with. I had already cleaned it up. I already wiped it down. But this, guys, this is a lot better. I can live with this. This is nice. Man, thank you, LMR. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I still may eventually get the door panels recovered. This top piece right here, the guy said he could do it. But for right now, we have extremely done a makeover on this door, and I'm good with it. So yeah, 100% improvement, I think, guys. This goes with this door belt weather stripping. It's a very tight fit. There's no adhesive on the back. I thought there was going to be adhesive on the back, but there's not. It's very flat. But like I say, if you run your hand this way, this is like aluminum or something. It's not plastic. It's like some type of metal, aluminum. But anyways, yeah, I'm good with it, guys. This is 110% improvement. I actually don't mind opening this door up in public now. So, all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Same thing on the passenger side, guys. It's not quite as bad, but it is up. It is rolled up. And of course, this is broke, just like the other side. I have one for this side, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to change this out. We're going to put our new cover piece in, and yeah, it'll be good to go. Another quick tip, guys. My fabric or my material was pretty high up. I took a hose clamp pick, and I just like run it along and just mashed it back down. That way it would not fight the metal quite as hard. And there we go. Man, that looks so much better. It looks factory. That looks so much better, guys. That looks so much better. All right, go ahead and get this armrest bezel changed out. And this door looked good as new as well. Guys, I also took the opportunity to clean all the build-up dirt and everything that was in these crevices right here. It's a perfect opportunity to take the time to get all that cleaned out. That's all in the crevices. Guys, also I want to mention, when you reuse your screws and you go to put your switch back in from the backside, this will be a little difficult because the screw cuts new threads into the plastic boss there. So I got me a little stubby screwdriver where I could really put a little force on it. But after you cut it through there once, if you go back, it'll be easier. But it does cut new threads for the first time, so expect a little bit of resistance there. All right, guys, there you go. You be the judge. Man, this door panel wasn't quite as bad as the other side, because, you know, the passenger side doesn't see the usage, the seat, the door panel, you know, that the driver's side sees. But look at that, guys. Look at that. I could not be happier. This is a game changer right here for me. It really is. This door panel looks absolutely great, and it's all thanks to LMR. Guys at LMR, thank you very much. You just took an unsightly issue with a door panel, made it look great again. So thanks to the guys at LMR. Guys, I'm not sponsored by LMR, but I buy a lot of stuff from them because they pretty much have what you need, and I just recommend them. And you can see in action here what they do for the Mustang community. So, all right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. We pretty much have the interior almost, I'd say 95%. There's a few little extra things I want to do. I want to get a color matched armrest for that. But other than that, there's a few knickknacks. But guys, we have come leaps and bounds with the interior of this car, the whole car. I'm really proud of this car, guys. I really am. I just love the way it's turned out. And thanks to, you know, folks like LMR that make that possible. I just thank them so much. All right, guys. For those of you that like the videos, thank you very much. For those of you that subscribe, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't wait to see you in the next video. And thank you, LMR.